Hi, I'm Dr. James Carter. For over 25 years, I've helped adults over 60 stay strong, healthy, and full of energy. Here, you'll find practical, science-based advice on nutrition, sleep, and longevity, explained simply and clearly. Subscribe and take control of your health one morning at a time. Doctor here. Today, I want to talk about something that affects every single person after 60, morning energy. Many of my older patients tell me the same story. Doctor, I wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep, and my answer is always the same. It's not your age. It's your morning biology. When you're young, your body wakes up like a well-programmed machine. Your brain releases cortisol, not the stress hormone you fear, but the natural wake-up hormone that gives you alertness. Your blood pressure rises slightly, your heart rate adjusts, and your muscles receive oxygen. After 60, however, this process becomes slower. Your circadian rhythm, the 24-hour internal clock that runs your sleep-wake cycles, starts to drift. The pineal gland releases less melatonin, the adrenal glands react more slowly, and your muscles become less efficient at using oxygen. The result, you wake up feeling like your engine is running on half power. But the truth is, this is not inevitable aging, it's just disuse of your natural rhythm. The first 10 minutes after you open your eyes set the tone for your entire day. Think of it like programming your body's software. If you start with stress, dehydration, or lack of movement, your energy levels will crash by noon. Step 1. Hydration. During sleep, you lose nearly half a liter of water through breathing and sweating. When you wake up, your blood is slightly thicker and your organs are thirsty. 1 glass of water, ideally with a few drops of lemon or a pinch of Himalayan salt, instantly rehydrates your blood and kickstarts digestion. Step 2. Light exposure. The human eye contains light sensors that send signals directly to your hypothalamus, the brain's control center for hormones. When you expose your eyes to natural sunlight within the first hour of waking, your brain stops releasing melatonin and starts producing serotonin. That's your natural switch from sleep to energy mode. Just 5 minutes of morning light can boost your mood more than a cup of coffee. Step 3. Movement. Before reaching for your phone, stretch your shoulders, rotate your spine, and flex your ankles. These micro-movements pump oxygenated blood to your brain and balance your vestibular system, the inner ear mechanism that controls stability. A stable body means a calm nervous system. Let's talk science for a moment. Your morning energy depends on 3 main hormones: cortisol, insulin, and dopamine. Cortisol. In healthy rhythms, it peaks around 7 a.m. But if you skip breakfast or drink coffee immediately, you push it higher, creating jitters and midday fatigue. The fix is simple. Drink water first, wait 30 minutes, then have coffee with food. Insulin. After 60, your cells become less sensitive to insulin, which means sugar stays longer in your blood. If your first meal is high in carbohydrates, toast, cereal, fruit juice, your blood sugar spikes and crashes within hours. That crash feels like tiredness. The solution: start your day with protein, eggs, Greek yogurt, or a small protein shake. Dopamine, your motivation hormone. Every time you accomplish a small task, making your bed, walking to the window, doing breathing exercises, your brain releases dopamine. That's why successful mornings begin with action, not scrolling. Inside every cell are mitochondria, the organelles that convert nutrients into energy. After 60, mitochondrial efficiency drops by up to 30%, but you can train them just like muscles. The secret is a short burst of morning movement, 5 to 10 minutes of gentle exercise, arm circles, brisk walking, or light resistance band work. This increases oxygen intake and signals your cells to produce more mitochondria. More mitochondria equals more energy. Combine that with steady breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6, and you teach your body to switch from the stress response to the recovery mode. That's when real energy is created, not borrowed from caffeine. Let's look at food. Most seniors still follow breakfast habits from the 1980s: orange juice, toast, margarine. These foods spike glucose, cause inflammation, and accelerate aging. A better formula, P plus F plus C equals protein plus fat plus color, protein for muscle maintenance, healthy fat for hormone balance, and color for antioxidants. For example, scrambled eggs with spinach and olive oil, a handful of nuts, and half an avocado. Green tea instead of fruit juice within a week. This kind of breakfast stabilizes your energy curve and reduces sugar cravings by nearly 40%. Energy is not only chemical, it's emotional. Every morning, your body checks your mental state before releasing adrenaline and serotonin. If your first thoughts are anxious or negative, your body literally slows digestion and restricts blood flow. The fix: take 60 seconds before leaving bed to breathe deeply and think of one thing you're grateful for. This may sound simple, but it changes your heart rate variability, the marker of nervous system health. A calm heart produces a clear mind. A clear mind produces sustainable energy. After 60, sitting for more than 30 minutes reduces blood flow to the brain by 10%. So every half hour, stand up, roll your shoulders, take 5 slow breaths, and sit back down. These movement snacks keep oxygen flowing and joints flexible. Think of it as micro-exercise that prevents macro problems. Real energy isn't just not feeling tired, it's the combination of 3 pillars: biochemistry, movement, and mindset. Biochemistry is hydration, nutrition, and hormones. Movement is oxygen flow and muscle activation. Mindset is emotional calm and purpose. When one side is missing, the triangle collapses, you feel drained. When all 3 align, your body runs like a tuned engine, regardless of age. Several studies support these steps. Harvard's 2020 to Sleep and Aging study found that morning sunlight exposure within 1 hour of waking improved alertness by 40% in adults over 60. A 2021 Journal of Geriatric Medicine paper showed that morning protein intake reduces midday fatigue more effectively than caffeine. And a 2020 University of Tokyo trial found that daily 10-minute morning walks improved mitochondrial activity and lowered inflammation markers in older adults. These are not trends, they're measurable biological effects. So let's put it all together into a single, repeatable routine. 1. Before getting out of bed, take 1 deep breath and smile. 2. Drink water, 1 glass with lemon or salt. 3. Open your curtains, expose your eyes to daylight. 4. Stretch, 60 seconds, shoulders, neck, spine. 5. Walk, even just to the balcony or the kitchen. 6. Eat breakfast, protein first, color second, carbs last. 7. Move every 30 minutes, posture check and breath reset. This sequence resyncs your circadian rhythm, rehydrates your cells, and jumpstarts your metabolism without any pills or supplements. I tell every patient, you don't grow old in a day, you grow old in your routines. Change your routines, and you literally change your biology. Energy is not lost with age. It's misplaced in habits that no longer serve you. And when you reclaim those habits, water, light, movement, gratitude, the body remembers how to heal. I've seen 75-year-olds regain the energy of their 40s simply by respecting their mornings. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your phone or your coffee, pause. Drink water. Step into the light. Move your body. Give your cells the signal that it's a new day, because every day, at any age, your body is ready to renew. This is Dr. James Carter. Follow for daily doctor advice to stay young in energy, strong in body, and calm in mind. Your mornings are not the end of youth, they're the beginning of longevity.